go. I accidentally turned it off. That's okay. I started it again, so we're good. Okay, show me Purple's face. All right. Yes, she's a pretty girl. Okay, now Miss Orange. Orange is over here. Well, just show us the ones that are close to you. Yeah, Mr. Green. There we go. Hi, big boy. Hi. Oh, kisses for David. Oh, all the puppies love David. Yes. Okay, show us Pink. Oh, wait, did you show us Pink yet?
I thought I did.
Oh, yeah, I think you did. Did you show us Blue? His name's Rex.
Rex.
There's Mr. Rex. Hi. Hi, big boy. Aww. All right, thank you. And let's see. How about, okay, you're going to have to come over here and get a gray. Mm-hmm. There we go. Aww. Hey there, big boy. Hi. Oh, he's all, let me down. I want to play. He's all, I know that voice. I want to go to that voice. Okay, here's Orange over here. David. Yeah. Aww. She's my favorite. She's just little. Oh, isn't she cute? Because she's got a cute little personality. Hi, baby girl. Thanks, honey. Here's Milo over here playing with the ducky. That's great. Thank you, David, for showing all of them to us. They're starting to get rowdy now, huh? Oh boy. There goes Rex playing all rowdy. Funny boy. All right. Oh, look at Pink. She wants to play with you. Aww. She's a doll. Okay. They're just so well-tempered. They've been a really good litter, huh, David?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We'll see you guys in a few weeks, but we'll send you a video again next week, okay? All right. Bye, y'all. Have a good week.